Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
ixtirochi.pima.uz onlayn platformasida ro'yxatdan o'tish lozim. Tanlovda individual yoki jamoa sifatida ishtirok etish mumkin. Bunda jamoa a'zolarining soni 3 nafardan oshmasligi kerak. Tanlovda har bir jamoa yoki individual ishtirokchi barcha bosqichlarda dastlabki loyihasi bo'yicha ishtirok etadi. Ishtirokchilar tanlovning keyingi bosqichlarida loyihani rivojlantirib borishlari mumkin. Ixtirochilikka qadam respublika tanlovining 4-respublika bosqichida eng yuqori natija ko'rsatib, 1-, 2-, 3-chi o'rinlarni qo'lga kiritgan o'quvchilar maktabgacha va maktab ta'limi vazirligi tomonidan pul mukofotlari bilan taqdirlanadi. Eng yaxshi deb topilgan 10 ta loyiha ishi Oliy ta'lim va innovatsiyalar vazirligi huzuridagi Innovatsion rivojlanish agentligining ilm-fanni moliyalashtirish va innovatsiyalarni qo'llab-quvvatlash jamg'armasi mablag'lari hisobidan amaliyotga tatbiq etishga ko'maklashish uchun tavsiya etiladi. Tanlovda qatnashish uchun ro'yxatdan o'tishga shoshiling. Oldinda sizni qizg'in jarayonlar, unutilmas taassurotlar kutmoqda.